Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, hi and welcome. I post nail art videos every Monday and Friday and a summer nail polish of the week video every Wednesday. So if you are interested in nail art videos, please subscribe and also click on that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I post a new video. A lot of my subscribers have been requesting to post a video on dry brush technique nail art. So in today's video, I will be showing you this really pretty design made using the same technique. For this nail art design, I chose this beautiful coral color nail polish from Elansa in the shade Coral Cuddle. Then I will also be using this white nail polish for my base on accent nails, and this blue nail polish from Nails Inc, as well as this green polish from New You and a hint of purple from Wet n Wild. I'm also going to use this beautiful sparkly nail paint from Lakme to add a little bit of bling to this nail art. Don't worry, I will leave all the details of the product details in the info box below for you so you can check them out later. Now let's quickly start with creating this design. For my index as well as pinky nail, I have painted them in this beautiful coral polish, and I have prepared my middle as well as ring finger nail with the white base. Now to create the designs on my accent nails, I will be using the dry brush technique. And for this, I have taken out my nail polish brush, and as you can see, I'm trying to wipe off almost all the nail polish off of the brush. And I do that for both the sides of my nail polish brush until I start seeing its black bristles, like so. Now using a soft hand and barely touching the nail surface, I start making small but straight strokes. Then I go ahead and use the same technique to create more strokes in other different colors as well. You could also go for some horizontal strokes along with the vertical strokes. But for this design, I chose to create only vertical strokes. I do have another video using the dry brush technique in which I use both vertical as well as horizontal strokes to achieve a really cool nail design. I will link that video in the description box if you wish to check out. Now remember, less is always more for this nail art design, so make sure to leave some spaces so that your white base can still peep through your different color strokes. Then as always, I go back and clean my edges and add a good quality top coat. This will make my manicure last longer, and also it will give it a beautiful shine. And that's it. I am so in love with this gorgeous nail design and how it has turned out. Let me know in the comment section below what you think of this design. And I'll see you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Please click on this circle to subscribe to my channel and these boxes to check out my other popular nail art videos. Bye!